Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and today I have brought to you a hairstyling video. If you are watching me for the first time, I am Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I post videos on hairstyling and makeup. The sari is one of the most beautiful and gracious outfits of all. And yet, whenever we wear a sari, one of the most important questions is to how to style our hair. I have received some queries and requests to create a video for hairstyles that go with a sari. So today I have brought to you two different bun hairstyles that you can do with a sari. So let's not waste any further time and get started with it. Before I get started, I like to prep my hair first. Let's begin by first detangling the hair with a wide-toothed comb. I prefer curling my hair to add some volume and bounce to my hair. This helps me in getting a fuller effect in my hairstyle. You can choose to curl your hair or skip it as per your hair thickness and texture. Before I begin curling, heat protection is a must. Hence, I am using a Berina heat protection spray, spritzing it all over the length of my hair and letting it dry before I use my curling tong. I am curling my hair using a 25mm curling tong from Iconic. I am quickly skipping through the curling part. If you are interested to know how I curl my hair, I will link the video in the description box as well as the I button above so you can access it. Once the curls cool down, gently run your fingers to loosely open up the curls. Using your fingers, separate the hair in the crown area. Using a teasing brush or any regular comb, backcomb at the back of the separated section. Separate a 1-inch section horizontally at the back and let it fall back. Now, backcomb again at the back of the remaining section. Again, separate a 1-inch horizontal section and let it fall back. Repeat this 2 to 3 times till you complete backcombing of the entire crown area. I have to do this so that there is some volume at the top and my hair doesn't look flat. If you have sufficient hair volume or you are not okay with backcombing your hair, you can skip it. Now, separate the hair from your ears till the crown area, dividing the front and back hair into 2 equal parts. Gently comb the front hair to achieve a sleek look. Tie the top hair securely into a ponytail with a black rubber band. Gently pinch the front hair to loosen and create a light messy poof. You can also pull out 2 strands on the sides to fall on your face. Take the ponytail and clip it out of the way. Collect the remaining hair at the back and take it to the top nearest to the first ponytail. Comb the hair to get a sleek, tight look and secure it with another black rubber band into a ponytail just below the first ponytail. Now I have 2 ponytails placed vertically, one higher and the other a little lower. Next, I am taking the first ponytail, which is at the top, and divide the hair into 2 strands. Then I start twisting these strands, creating a rope braid. Once I complete the braid, I pinch the braid and take it around the rubber band in the form of a bun and secure it with U-pins. Don't worry if you have hair strands popping out at this time. Since this is a messy style, you don't need to tuck all loose hair in. Now repeat the same with the lower second ponytail, creating a rope braid and tying it into a bun and securing it with U-pins. Next, I am pinching on the buns to loosen the strands a bit so that it looks fuller. Finally, decorate the bun with small beads or flowers for a festive look and the hairstyle is done. The second hairstyle is a low bun, and for this one, I again create volume on my crown area by backcombing as I did in my first hairstyle. Next, without disturbing the backcombing, I lightly comb the crown area and take the section towards the back. Giving it a small twist, I secure the hair with 2 bobby pins which I fixed in a crisscross pattern. Now, I gently tug and pinch the front hair to create a fuller poof in the front. Next, I take a thick section of hair in the front on the right side till my ear. I gently take it towards the back, covering the bobby pins, and fix it with a bobby pin on the side of the crisscross pins in a vertical manner. Now I am taking a similar section of hair from the front on the left side till my ear and taking it towards the back. I use this section to cover the bobby pin that I fixed to the earlier section, and I take it across and fix a bobby pin on the opposite side vertically. Now my earlier bobby pins are not visible. Next, I take another section from the back of my right ear and take over my last bobby pin and pin it on the opposite side vertically. Repeating the same on the left side, pinning the section on the opposite side, placing the pin vertically. Lastly, I am collecting all the remaining hair and dividing it into 2 and rotating it around each other and creating a rope braid. I rotate this braid and create a bun and pin it with U-pins. Gently pinching it for a more fuller look. Add more U-pins if you do not want your hair strands to be popping out. Finally, add some flowers or fancy pins for a festive look and you are good to go. That's it, you guys. Those are the 2 bun hairstyles that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button for me and also share this video with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. If you do try any of these hairstyles, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. I will also be waiting for your wonderful comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.